Hello guys, how are you? I think you are so fine and doing well. Today in this video we are going to watch that how to make YouTube banner, YouTube channel art. These are the two names mostly used for the background picture after your name and logo on the home screen of your YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about YouTube banner or YouTube channel art. We are using the software that is Canva. Canva is the most effective and free of cost uh, software that helps you to create many of your designs and with free templates and free optional designs. So here you have to come home and you have to go social media and then have you to go slide it and you can watch an option for YouTube banner. So YouTube thumbnail, so we have to slide next, that is YouTube banner. You can you can see the size here, 2560 by 1440 pixels. So create on the blank and you can watch the many of designs and templates that you can use. So here is the free templates and you can also be find pro Canva designs that are cost you some price. So here are the free of designs that will be great for you. So I have to find a tech YouTube banner and then I uh, show you how to edit it according to your desire. So I will choose a tech banner. So I have to use tech banner. My channel name is Shaheen Tech. So tech tech I have to find a tech. Yes, so that's great pretty much. So I will select it. Watch here if any paid content is available, then you have to change it or buy it. So I will write the name here. Its name was Shaheen Tech. So its name I will drag it for okay. So I will close it here and here. Okay, if you want to upload your logo you have to go uploads and upload files and download and choose your design. ठीक? Okay जी. So here is my design is not available because I forget to download it. So I will use simple. If I want to use here eagle, Shaheen, it's mean eagle. There is element, we have to go element and you have to search eagle. Okay, and I have to find a eagle. It could be great according to my desire. There are fewer free, so I will decide this to drag and drop. So slide it and drag and drop. That's pretty for. So I will turn it and drag it to small. So I will drag it to small because our template could show only according to this. So we have to small it according to our size of text. So I will leave it here. Okay, so here are the text. These texts are great, so I have to enlarge its size according to the size. Okay, that is. So gameplays I have to edit it. So click on and then click here, control all. So tech reviews, tutorials and unboxing. Okay, these are the desired things I will showing on my channel. Okay, so drag and keep it here and I want to drag it again according to size and I want to pick it here and also here and enlarge its size. Okay, perfect. That is the channel banner for my YouTube channel. So share and download here. Your template will be saved on download field. So save, and I can try to watch you. So see, these are the results, and Allah. So it was simple. If you want to change the color of your templates, you have to simply click here and change their color. So that is the color. You have to change a little bright. Okay, yes, that are you have to change the colors here. Everything you can change the colors. These white color you can also change them. So here was the tutorial. I show you how to make channel banner for your YouTube channel. I think that video will helps you. So if you like, hit on the like button. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe it. Wait for next video. Bye bye.